How to change theme on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme on Android phone. First thing, just open this one here, themes, and now just scroll, and here you will find any theme you want, and there is some free themes like this one here. Click on it, and if you want to change it, just click free download, and that's it. And your theme will be changed. And that's it for today's video. That's how to change theme on Android phone. And if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.